Okay guys, this is a small container of BioOil that was first recommended to me years ago by my mother, and I love it so much that I've continued to buy it. Really works well on stretch marks, and it's got their proprietary, I can't read it this close here, but it's got their pure selin oil proprietary ingredient which helps absorb it really quickly into the skin, and that's basically what it's known for. It's very highly absorbent into the skin and just really improves the texture of my skin. I started using it as makeup remover at one point, and I realized that this is not that cheap. Initially, I was using this as a face oil, and it was wonderful for that, but now I use it also on my boobs and parts of my body where I have stretch marks, and I do find a texture increase with this. But you do have to use it regularly. I think if you buy this, you'll fall in love with it too and have no problem using up the bottle fast. Recommend.